Today we are going to make a very tasty soya meat noodles recipe. To make soya noodles, we need these ingredients. First we need to soak soya meat in boiling water. After a while, filter water and squeeze soya meat to remove excess water. Now add salt, chili powder and turmeric powder into these soya meat and we need to deep fry them. Now get fried soya meat out of the oil and into the same oil add chopped ginger and garlic. After that add curry leaves and green chilies. Now we need to add onions. Then add turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder, chili flakes and salt as per your taste. After that, we can add fried soya meat. Then add water and cook around 3 to 4 minutes. Finally add instant noodles. Mix all of them together and cook more around 2 to 3 minutes. If you are a vegetarian, this recipe will be a perfect one for you. As I remind you every day, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon until we meet again with another delicious recipe.